Originally, we were not an N&M Cool Today customer. We had our 6-month maintenance routine scheduled visit performed by another company. During that visit, we were informed that our air handler was filled with mold and really needed a heavy-duty maintenance involving dropping the air handler. The cost was kind of high, about $1,000 to do the maintenance, and our current vendor suggested that we replace the unit because of the $1,500 tax rebate that was being offered by the government for high-efficient air conditioners. We thought about it and thought it'd be a good idea, but they never really explained how they would size the unit and what type of unit would be best for our home. So I did some research. I went online and I found N&M Cool Today, so I thought I'd give N&M a call. When N&M Cool Today came to the house, the first thing they did was a pressure test where they sealed off the front door, put a big fan in it, and tried to reduce the pressure in the house, looking for leakages around windows, doorways, and other openings to determine if the house was indeed efficient for cooling capacity. Based upon their determination, we could use a smaller air conditioning unit, which indeed saved us a lot of money in the long run. Coming from New York, I thought smaller was not better in Florida, but he convinced us that the larger unit was short cycling, and that was part of the problem causing the mold buildup in the air handler. He then also suggested that we would save approximately $100 a month by going to a smaller unit. I didn't believe him, and he was willing to put that in writing. We had the air conditioning unit operating for the full month of June, and my electric bill was cut by $247 per month. Needless to say, it's going to pay for itself in about 3 years. When the N&M Cool Today salesman was providing me with a quotation to replace the air conditioning unit, my hot water heater decided to leak into the garage. I happened to ask him if he could recommend a plumber that could replace the hot water heater for me, and to my surprise, he told me that N&M had a plumbing division. He made a phone call to the office, and within an hour, the truck was here with a new hot water heater, and an hour later I had a new heater installed. I would recommend to any one of my neighbors who needed to have an air conditioning service company provide a new unit or provide maintenance to their existing system, because I felt very comfortable with their level of service, their product knowledge, and their ability to do calculations and determine the right unit for a particular home. The other companies that we interviewed didn't do that.